Seeing now beitzah Shem Yisborach Maseches beitzah Daf Aleph Omed Aleph. Matzah Shabbos Parshas Tazria Mitzayra. Look the Heilige Mishnah. And we're following the Dafim of the old Vilna Shas before Oiz V'Hadar. Look the Mishnah. Beitzah Shenoil de B'Yontif. B'Sham Omem Te Ochel V'Sina Omem Loi Te Ochel. Shammai says, one of the things with Shammai is Mekel. Shammai says you're allowed to eat such an egg. He says no, you cannot eat. My time in the Bishamai. Mchen is Yagav Imma. You're allowed to eat a chicken, and when it was inside the chicken, obviously you were allowed to eat the egg also. It's part of the mother. So even though it was born today, it doesn't become usher because it was part of the mother. My time in the Basil, nice it means that the din make muktzah that you keep on the roof to come dried fruit. So the halacha is, if in the middle of Shabbos you found out that it's edible, it's not, you cannot eat it because you were maktzah diet to eat. Before Shabbos, you thought it's still in the middle of the process. So here also, you didn't expect this egg to be born on Shabbos. It's something, a surprise for you. Surprise. So that's why it's not considered muchen. If it be still in the mother, it's part of the mother. True. But something new happened here, and something surprising. You didn't know that's going to be born on Shabbos, on Yontiv. That's why it's awesome. V'atan asher the guys that's such a base apish gemuris arim b'taretz. What's his question? He's asking that why should that be mutter? That's also a surprise. He didn't think about there's an egg there. Didn't think there's beitzah gemuris there. So why is that not muktzah? Chananya v'Ravman. So that this question has an answer from Chananya and Ravman. What are the two answers? The answer is like this. One person says, means when it's inside, it doesn't taste like an egg. So it's not considered like a new object. You want to answer it because it's considered something new. But if it tastes a whole different new taste of an egg only when it comes out, that's why we consider it something new. And we say this wasn't here before Shabbos. So it's like muktzah sheyabish. It happened something new on Shabbos. But here, if this thing is it's inside, it just doesn't make a big difference. It's the same like a chicken. It's a different point. Not so much about the taste. The quality of egg can only give out chickens once it comes out. So that's when it's considered like a new chayfetz, a new thing. And that makes it muktzah. Because it's something, a dover chodesh that came in the world. But before that, it's not considered like something new. It's like an egg, but it's not something that's so different than the mother. That's why you could eat it if you found the eggs inside the chicken. Mahim b'cholav. What's the halach if you're allowed to eat the eggs that are found in the mother when you shecht it? We say you're allowed to eat it on Yontiv, right? Because it's not considered muktzah. Are you allowed to eat those eggs with milk? It's only usher if it's still connected with certain veins in the part of the chicken. There's veins that connect the egg. If it's not connected, it's loose, then it's mutter to eat with cholav. So in regards to that, basar b'cholav is only considered basar if it still has gidim that's connected with gidim to the part where the eggs come out from. Another halach. Everybody agrees if most of it came out already before the yom, it's not a problem. Ma pligen sheyatsa mi uta. Sham te ochos letoch. Shem she also lechel keni also taltel. Beitzah shnel de yantiv means it didn't come out before yantiv. Just a miuta that's considered like nothing came out. So that's why we say it's like muktzah sheyavish. It's a new object, and he didn't expect it. He didn't die to Elema Esma. He didn't think about it. It wasn't in your mind Erev Yontiv, this egg. So that's Basil says you cannot eat it. Shemshi also left it's either Echem Meya, Echet Elf Kul Masuris. Makan, Thomas Sofik Echem Aser. It's an old machlekes, a lot of places. It's in here in Masechta Beitzah, and it's in, I think it's in Masechta Pesachim also. If Sofik Muchan is Aser. So the Chayr is asking this din is the Chayr Sofik because it got mixed up with other eggs. Sofik Hachen Mutter. So the Gemara says no, Mode he Hachashe Aser. Why? Sofik Nisharim Sofik Mayim Nashru, so Esman Nashru. If it's the whole thing is a Sofik, you don't know when it fell off the tree. Let's say if you found next to a tree an apple, you don't know if it was Mechuber Meboid Yoim or if it fell off the tree on Shabbos. So we say one verse says Sofik Muchen means Sofik if it was Muchen Meboid Yoim or not, we can say Lekula. Sofik Muktzah Lekula. Here we're talking that in its Arif, Taruvas, one of them is for sure Noel de Beyantiv, for sure it's Aser, and then got mixed up with other old eggs. That's already something else. That you have to count onto bittul. And with that we say that afila be'elef le'batul. Now since it's a very, very short daf, then so I'll just continue going till the end of daf aleph. Achirim amrim mishum blazer ta'achel hi be'imah. He says this language for beitish nol be'yantiv says you can eat her and her mother. What does it mean? That's what he's saying. It depends if the mother is also imit l'shchita, you can eat the egg also, because both of them are imit for the same thing. So even though it's a new object, let's say you didn't have a das be'esmel, but still you had a das on the mother to be for achila. So we say this is also. This whole thing, everything here is muchen lachile, and now it came out, not a problem. So, what do you mean? Every chicken you get eventually shecht, so everything is muchenes. Means only if you actually shecht it in Yontif. The Gemara says that same thing. Then it's a glory milsa l'shchita medis. Whether one day you're going to shech the chicken. Well, depends. Yeah, if you shech this chicken on Yontiv, then we say Erev Yontiv, this was Oimid Lachila. So, the egg is not a new object, because the mother was Oimid Lachila, this is Oimid Lachila, it's like the whole thing is one, it's not something that you're changing the hechen. Hechen means it's Oimid for one thing, you decide for a new thing. But if the Tana goes Oimid Legadol Be'itzim, so up to now, this whole thing was Oimid Legadol, and now you decide to eat the egg. It's a new thing. It happened on Yontiv that you made up your mind to eat the egg. That's already considered that's considered the muktzah. Because on Yontiv you changed the status. Instead of being Oimid Legadol, since the egg came out, you said, okay, I want to eat this egg. So if you shech the mother, then it's a glory milsa that Erev Yontiv was Oimid Lachila, so everything's Oimid Lachila. You gotta eat the egg too. But if you're not planning to shech the mother, then you cannot eat the egg either. The Gemara brings down about the same svara. This is going to be the end of Daf Aleph Amud Aleph.